has got two seasoning. It is spicy at the same time tasty. So hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Sheen, and today's video, of course by the thumbnail and title you already know, okay? And to begin with, Korean food is like my most favorite food category, and every time I've tried Korean food outside, okay, like in Bangalore, somewhere around Bangalore, I've tried Korean restaurants, but haven't I've never made Korean dishes at home. Today we are going to do that. By the way, you guys, I am vlogging in Osmo Pocket 3. I think the clarity is much better now. Anyways, I've ordered few stuffs that I need for cooking all the Korean dishes, which is right here. This time I've ordered from Instamart. Groceries I usually order from Instamart. So I've ordered from spring onions, some spinach. I will show you all everything that I prepare from these. What? Huh? When did I? What? Anyways, yeah, I've ordered a couple of things. I will show you all later in this video. For breakfast, we are going to eat noodles. We are going to prepare noodles. This is buldak cheese hot chicken flavor ramen. I haven't tried this before. Rest other flavors I have. So I want to try this and see how this one tastes. The time is already 11:20 already now, and we are going to prepare buldak. Let's see, I can't wait, I'm hungry. That's got two seasoning. Inside the pack, these are the two sachets that you get. These are seasonings, and one is powder, one is sauce. I knew about this because every other noodles will have these two. You guys, let's add them. Usually Korean noodles are meant to be spicy, but this is a cheese flavor, and one of the reasons that I didn't wanted to try this because I thought cheese, it won't be that spicy, but I wanted to try something very spicy. And now since this is like, I can't say like the last option for me to try this, there are other Korean noodles like this which I want to try, but this flavor I hadn't tried. So smells good. To mix really well. Are we ready? So it's a lot for one bite. It does look like a little spicy, but first bite. It is tasty, but it is spicy. I can tolerate spice really well. I have good tolerance with spice. So far, it's bearable.
A few moments later.
And that's what me and my guests are here to listen. और बस मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि इसी wisdom के साथ किसी को बना सके और आप भी कह सकें I am forever young. Well, thank you so much for having me. बहुत मेहनत लगती है, लेकिन हाँ मुझे कब.
You guys, almost done. It's spicy. It is spicy at the same time tasty. So okay, if I have to rate this, I'm gonna rate this a good 8.5 out of 10. I'm gonna quickly shoot something I have to shoot really quick, and then I'll get back to you all. It's 11:46 for now. I think lunch I'm gonna have a little late. I have to prepare as well, so that's the reason. You know what? You know what time it is? It's 7:14 in the evening and I haven't eaten anything. I So basically, my plan was for morning I'll eat noodles, and then for noon I thought I'll prepare bibimbap, and for night I will prepare topoki. Yeah, after shoot I had to go out, so I couldn't really, eat lunch proper lunch. So I thought I'll prepare now. Like I'll prepare both the things right now. Yep. We are going to have bibimbap and topoki. Few stuffs I've ordered, few stuffs from Instamart to prepare all of this. Okay, you guys, I changed my dress back to home clothes now. So we need rice flour. I ordered this in the morning, and we need tapioca flour. I'm hearing that for the first time. So basically it's a sabudana powder. I didn't get tapioca powder, it was out of stock. So what I did, I ordered sabudana and then grinded it, became powder. So the recipe says first you have to take rice flour, little bit of rice flour. Oh wait, I think hot water first and then rice flour.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark.
A few moments later.
Okay, you guys, this is how topoki looks, and yet to be done, the plating yet to be done. I mean, look at this. This looks so realistic. I did not expect this.
The earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whisper.
Okay, you guys, I'm very, very, very hungry. I just couldn't wait to prepare all this and eat. I'm gonna use chopsticks. Luckily, I had one. I haven't included the entire recipe here. Thought I'll maybe make like a separate video on that. Let's try topoki. This is quite slippery. Even in the restaurants, when I go try the topoki, I'll usually not be able to lift the topokis from the chopsticks because they'll be very, very, very slippery. And I don't know if this is spicy or not. Taste test. Let's go. This is how it looks. I've topped it up with some spring onion and sesame seed. So I mean, like, this tastes so very much like Koreaki in Indranagar. I have tried their topokis and so similar. Really good. Topoki I've tried in Koreaki in Indranagar, and whereas this bibimbap, this is the problem with topoki. You can't really. I've tried in Koreaki, which is in Coxtown, and look at the rice. Let's try the rice. So with bibimbap, it's just that whatever you add, like the veggies, the entire dish is just going to taste that way. Whatever sauce you put or whatever protein you put in that. I've added chicken. This is chicken, and I've sauteed with soya sauce, a little bit of salt, and oregano. And if you're a rice lover, you're definitely Love this. With the topoki, texture is not same as the Koreaki topoki I've had. There's definitely some atta flavor at the end, which is quite normal, I think. This is a good 9.5. If I was getting the texture right, exactly like the Koreaki topoki, this I would rate it like it's not much to do with this. So 8 maybe. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. This is my lunch and dinner together, having at once, which I shouldn't be doing, but yeah. I thought I'll avoid rice in the night. Can't help. If you want the recipes, comment down below. And I will be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.
The bows where